Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to troubleshoot lights that won't turn off and identify the cause. We start by turning on the power. As you can see, the light immediately illuminates. Next, we open the application and try to turn it off. Even when toggling, nothing happens. We check the relay and see that the PIERRE is functioning, physically switching, but the light still stays on. To be sure, we remove the signal, yet the light continues to shine. This indicates a likely faulty relay. With hundreds of relays, it can be hard to tell which one is causing the issue. Here, a thermal camera is very helpful, allowing us to quickly identify the problematic relay. As you can see, the thermal image immediately shows the relay that is overheating. The other relays stay around 30 degrees Celsius, while the faulty one can reach 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. This also helps to identify if the power supply is overloaded, which in this case is fine. When we turn off the power or disconnect the load, the relay begins to cool immediately. Within moments, the temperature drops. We can then replace it, restoring normal operation. See you in the next video.